Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the updated Track My Phone app and signing in immediately, which lets the system link this device to your account. Once done, grant precise location, background activity, and notifications so tracking stays active even when the app is closed. Make sure to verify your email or phone to unlock full features. This prevents lockouts and enables remote commands. Do not skip battery-exempt permissions, because the app needs persistent access to report location reliably in the next steps. You now pair additional devices by scanning the QR code or entering the device code provided. That creates a permanent link so locations sync across accounts. Next, open Settings and enable continuous location, geofencing, and activity history to record movement and triggers. Also make sure the app is excluded from battery optimization and allowed to auto-start, otherwise background updates stop. As you adjust sampling rate, balance accuracy versus battery use, so tracking remains useful without draining the battery excessively. You finish by performing a live location test. Move a short distance and confirm the app shows updated coordinates on each paired device. Once verified, set sharing permissions, emergency contacts, and alert thresholds to suit your needs so important events trigger notifications. If something fails, restart the phone, re-grant location and background permissions, and toggle network or GPS. Often that resolves sync issues. If problems persist, log out and back in, then repair the device to refresh keys and restore normal tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.